And focus. What is going on, guys? Welcome back, my Budget Build family. We have got some updates. We've got our giveaway update. I'll get to that in a minute. We've got our project truck update and some little, setbacks. Stay tuned.
Oh man, he turned it down.
What?
We were talking to Dan.
Oh, yeah?
Did you sucker Daddy into giving you his phone, or you just...
Right here? That'll work. And then I'll be like, oh, I forgot what I was gonna say now. Don't play with me. You taking videos on my phone? Huh? Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Welcome to Budget. Dang it. You guys want the good news or the bad news first? Okay, bad news first. Bad news is I got a lot of animals and the dogs were chasing the cats and the cats hid underneath my truck. The dogs went there. They were all up in the truck. Cats were hiding in there. The dogs went underneath the truck. Long story short, all of my wiring is tore up. There's a bunch of frayed wire, tore up wire, disconnected wire, all underneath the truck. But the good news is I got an excuse to give my wife because the truck is down now. And while it's down, I'm taking everything apart. So that means we're gonna go ahead and fix the wiring, do all our mods that we're gonna do to lighten the truck, and transmission, torque converter, turbo kit. We're gonna do it all. That's the good news. So that's gonna get started soon. Okay, so more good news. Parts came in for the truck on our Lightning series. I guess that's a stupid name, huh? Basically, we're gonna lighten the truck because our truck is fat and it's slow. So I got a roll pan, which is supposed to shave about 60 pounds or so, and I got a tailgate net. We're gonna take the tailgate off. That's gonna shave another 50, 60 pounds.
What do you call it when you drop weight? You bulk, or you...
Yeah, we're gonna go on a cut. So any of you guys that, lift weights or into fitness, we're going on a cut. This thing is fat, and we're gonna get it, trimmed up, and we're gonna make it faster. More good news. We got our first sponsor. Here's the box. Comment down below what you think the part is. We're gonna get into what it is in the next video. And our last bit of good news, the update on our giveaway. Send an email, put your name, your phone number, your handle on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and we will be announcing the winner on the next video. So stay tuned for the next video. All right, so I think that's gonna do it for this video. Just to recap, my animals tore up my truck. Truck's down, we're gonna get started on it. And first sponsor, giveaway, and we got some more parts for our truck. So that's it. Catch you guys on the next one.